Hello everyone and welcome back to Code Escuela. And so, yeah, have you ever had some trouble with trying to work with QuestPDF and having the difficulty of trying to lay out your PDF uh, reports? And so, there's one great way to uh, easily do that. Okay, so one great application that comes from QuestPDF itself is their companion app. So with a companion app, it allows you to have a real-time preview of your uh, PDF reports while you're actually working on it or while you are coding the different parts of your report. Okay, and so uh, where can you get this application? And so you can download this here under questpdf.com and then head to companion app, and then you have this introduction and usage, and then below that is you have this download menu. And so you can download whatever uh, installer depending on the operating system that you have. So you have three options for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, so in my system I have Windows, and so I've already have this one installed on my machine. And so if we quickly pull that one up, so Quest PDF Companion, let's open this one. And so this is the application itself. So to start using this one, you can create like a simple console application. So I'm not gonna show you how to start from scratch, but anyways, I have this existing application here or project. So this one is coming up from my one of my demo applications wherein we convert Excel templates into Blazor. And so one of that is the simple service invoice, where it generates PDF reports for the invoice within the applications. And so before I've added it or integrated it into the Blazor application itself, I started with building it up as a prototype. And so with this one, I have this console application, and this is the contents of this one. And so for you to use the companion app, first off, you need to have it installed and have it running already or open in your system. And then here, I can start working on my PDF report, okay, or PDF file. So let's just set this as startup project and let's run the application. This one is a console app. So I've named it simple service invoice.prototype to indicate that I'm building the invoice prototype for this one. Okay, now going back, as you can see, I have my report already open on the window of the Quest PDF Companion application. Okay, so you can zoom in it, pan through the different sections of your PDF report. And so one thing or what's great about this one is that let's arrange this for a bit here. Okay, so now we have our code here. So what's great about the companion app is that you can immediately see uh, what it looks like on the PDF itself. So as you start building up your uh, PDF report, then you can immediately see what it looks like on this app. So I have here the layout. So if we try, let's see, let's just add some text here. Let's say the text is hello PDF. Okay. All right. I think it's not allowed. It's content container. Uh, let's do that here. I don't know if we can do that somewhere here. Within the item. But anyways, yeah, let's just change one of the text here. So we have this line. Let's change the uh, data or the invoice title. So here we have the invoice. If we change the title, we click hit save. then we should be able to immediately see the result of those code change that we did. Okay, and so yeah, you can do something, some yeah, pretty neat stuff here. Row the relative item. Let's add another. Let's say another the text. This is some additional text. Okay, and you hit save. As you can see, yeah, it's being added as part of that layout. But this one, I've been using columns, rows and columns to organize or lay out my PDF. But yeah, you get the idea. So basically, it's pretty much quite uh, a great tool for you to use when you are trying to initially lay out or organize or build up your PDF reports. Now, after this one, then you can move this set of code, once you've done this one, into whatever uh, application you're going to use it. But in my case, for this one, I've used this as part of this blazor application. So here I've added it as a service, report service, and then yeah, all of the dynamic stuff being passed inside of this uh, class. Okay, but initially it's just static data. So for me to easily see my report as I start building this up. Okay, so yeah, I think that's what's great about the companion app. So yeah, it's a very handy tool when you're trying to build up your PDFs using the QuestPDF library. Okay, and so please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you soon in my next video. Thanks everyone.